Did I scare you?
No. And that's just how I feel about Silent House.
So, we're popcorn chewers, by the way.
Oh, yeah. And we went to watch Silent House last night at 9:30, and we're tired.
Yeah, we're a little out of it. And it wasn't even worth it, honestly.
Yes.
Yeah. Silent House is about a girl, her father, and her uncle who are repairing a house, their house that they used to live in when she was a child, to sell it. And when she's alone with her father, she starts to hear things, and then murderish ensues.
Yeah. Her uncle was quite suspicious himself.
But he didn't happen to be in the house when everything started, or at least that's what you thought.
Well, at least that's what we see, because what we see is everything the girl is going through. Yes.
Yeah, that's another thing. The way they filmed it, it's very like you're with her every single minute, and you think that sounds logical, but the way people film movies, that's not how that's not how movies are filmed. That's not even how scary movies are filmed. You are not with them every single minute. For 88 minutes, we were with this girl.
Yeah, and it was a slow start too.
It was so boring.
I just wanted her to die so I can
Seriously,
finish.
20 minutes in, I was like, just somebody shoot her, please, so I can leave. It was, and even when it started to get scary, like it was scary for about 20 seconds, and then you were like,
okay, we kind of know what's gonna happen, and yeah, can we speed up the process? Like, Uncle come back, Daddy dies, kill me too, and yeah, movie's over.
Honestly, it wasn't even. It's not that it was predictable. It was just it was predictable. It was predictable horror.
But depending on what you've watched in the past,
that's true.
You can
we
see
happen to watch a lot of
horror.
Well, we watch a lot of movies in general, so we've seen a lot of horror movies as well. And you just know what's going on, and honestly, you just want them to get to it. And
the crowd we were with also agrees. Well, I'm assuming they agreed because they were silent until like midway. Someone had to entertain them, so they were all laughing.
You're supposed to go no,
they were laughing.
We're cracking. Our crowd is cracking up.
The whole entire crowd, not just us.
Because
the crowd.
She's literally one of the worst examples of a scary movie heroine ever. She's tripping and falling. She's doing all the cliche, stupid girl things that they do in horror movies, and you're just like, honestly, aren't we past this? I thought we were over this, but no. Apparently, they made another movie where this works out for them, and if you're even. We have a big spectrum between the two of us. She doesn't like scary. She likes
I love scary movies, but I never get scared.
And doesn't get scared. I happen to not like them very much, but I always watch them, and I'm always terrified out of my mind.
She is.
We were both bored.
We entertained ourselves.
And, like, I was just talking, like, smack the entire movie because I couldn't stand it. I was like, what is with this girl? And honestly, I love the actress. She's Mary-Kate and Ashley's younger sister.
Yeah.
And I think she's really pretty. And the other movie that we saw her in, she was really good in.
Yeah.
But this, I don't know what they did to her in this movie. It was just awful. And you just get bored of her and you want her dead.
Yeah. I actually, I want her to die. I want her to die.
Honestly.
Right there and then, like
I want her to fall down the stairs and just, like, end the movie. Because, God, I can't believe I sat there for 88 minutes. I can believe it. And you know how I know that it's 88 minutes? Because they say it in the trailer. Who says that in the trailer? Who says the runtime in the trailer? Silent House does. That should have been a clue about how bad it was.
88 minutes of silence.
It wasn't even silence. There was no silence. They even had music in it. What do you like? They had those background music.
And there was one part where like the background music didn't even fit. There was violence, like randomly out of nowhere. That like one part of violence playing, and I'm like, wait, what? Is it like is it like someone's phone ringing or something? Like, no, it's the background music, and I'm like, no.
What's going on? It was like a culmination of all the bad things you can do in a horror movie in one horror movie. So, you know what we think. What do you give it?
I'm giving it a 1.
Oh, yeah. I'm giving it a 1 because,
yeah.
It's so bad. It's just so bad. And I feel bad that that's like the second movie of her career because, God, she looks like she's a real nice girl and she looks like she's a decent actress, but that was bad decision making on her part. This is bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. So... You've heard us whine about this movie for 5 minutes.
You had to swear.
I did. So yeah, check us out, Facebook, Twitter.
Tumblr, Google+.
And I swear we're not usually this mean about movies.
And we're not this we are straightforward, but like not this like dull talking and stuff. It was just because we just actually, if you even get through to this part, congrats. But we actually just watched Kony, the Kony
movie, 30 minutes long. We'll leave a link down in the bottom.
Yeah.
For you guys to watch. But I think it's really important that everybody watches this.
And yeah, thank you for watching. And bye.
Bye.